Given that a is equal to -5 and b is equal to -3, evaluate the square root of a squared plus b squared. First, before we insert the values of a and b, we have to take note of the following. A squared simply means we are to multiply a by a as such. We have been given a to be -5. That means we take -5 all this squared because this is the value of a. And you take note, if you write something as such, it is very wrong. They are not the same, so you take note of this. This is simply equal to, that means you take -5 times -5, which is simply equal to -5 times -5. We are multiplying two negative numbers. The result is positive, and this gives us 25 for a squared. Next, let's find b squared. B squared is simply equal to b times b. This will give us, we have b as -3. We square this, and this will be equal to -3 times -3. This will simply be equal to, we are multiplying two negative numbers. The result will be positive. -3 times -3 gives us 9. Now we can proceed to evaluate the square root of a squared plus b squared. This will simply be equal to the square root of a squared. A squared gives us 25. Replace a squared with 25 plus b squared, which is 9. This will simply be equal to the square root of 25 plus 9 is simply equal to 34. The square root of 34 is a third. It is simply a third because it is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. So we are just going to leave it in this form as the square root of 34. Therefore, the square root of a squared plus b squared is simply equal to root 34.